Then, preview profile. So, tingnan natin. So, ito na yung nilagay natin, no? What I do, in our skills, employment, education. Tingnan natin kung ma-approve. Submit profile. And, boom! Congratulations, you are now part of Upwork. Good day guys. Sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ma-approve ang Upwork account nyo within 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. So, let's go. Sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, ako si RJV. I'm a freelance programmer and I've been in Upwork since 2018 and I became type rated for a short period of time. And my niche was programming and automation and script. Kung nahihirapan kang i-approve ang Upwork account mo, nandito ka sa tamang video. So tara, ipakita ko na. Okay, so the first step, punta tayo sa upwork.com, of course. Then, we will be creating our account. So click sign up. And if you have your Google account, you can continue with Google or better use your work email address or personal email. So whatever is applicable. Okay. I will click continue with Google. So I created a dummy email which is upworkislife@gmail.com for this demo. So I select country, Philippines. Work is a freelancer. Then yes and me no. Yes, I understand and agree the Upwork terms of service. So create account. Your username is required, sorry.
Gago!
So let's try Upwork is live. Yeah, that's it. Create account. Your account has been successfully created. Redirect you. Join Upwork as a freelancer. Interest in Upwork. Okay, continue. Fill out your profile thoroughly accurately. Start my profile. Fill out manually in this case. What is the main service you offer? So yung niche, piliin natin. So my niche is web, mobile, and software dev. So kung VA kayo or engineering or kung ano man, so you should select your niche. So in this case, I'm a programmer, so I choose web and software dev. Subcategory, we have web development because I'm a web developer. Next. So select my skills. So actually, naglista ako ng mga skills ko rito. So i-copy-paste ko na lang to. Hindi pala pwede.
Gago!
So, WordPress. So, as what I have said, I'm a web developer and automation script developer. So, kaya nilagay ko WordPress, Elementor, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Google Apps Script, Flow, Google APIs, automation, and React. So, make sure na kompleto yung skills nyo or you should put 10 skills, right? So that sigurado yung ating approval. So make sure na 10 yung skills na ilalagay natin. Then next, expertise level, kung entry level, intermediate, or expert. So kayo na bahala. So in this case, I will use intermediate. Education. Yan. Employment. So if you have experience, ilagay nyo. Company. So let's say confidential. Up to present na lang. Yan. Description is optional. So siguro lagyan nyo na lang din. Lagyan natin ng create website and set up automation tools for clients. Yan. Okay. Save. Then next we have languages. Fluent lagi ilagay. So just to make sure na fluent. Then next. So hourly rate. So depende. So ako ilalagay ko 15 per hour. So kayo na bahala dyan. Okay? So next. Title and overview. So kung ano yung niche nyo or kung ano yung gusto nyong work, yun ang ilagay nyo. So sa akin, in this case, I am a Google Apps Script and WordPress Elementor developer. So yun ang ilalagay ko. Then, professional overview. So ito yung aking professional overview. Copy-paste ko na lang. So napansin ko, dito dumidepende yung Upwork algorithm kung i-approve ka or hindi sa professional overview. So dapat marami yung ilagay mo dito. So kung mas maganda, punuin mo tong overview na to, mas maganda. And mas sigurado yung approval mo. Okay? So next, then put your profile photo. Select profile. Nag-download na ako. So ito. Or ito, yan. So make sure na professional looking yung picture nyo. Okay? Save. So next. So lagay mo yung address mo. So let's say next. So make sure dun sa address, yung totoong address ilalagay. Ito kasi for demo purposes lang. So number ko 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan. Then preview profile. So tingnan natin. So ito na yung nilagay natin, no. What I do, in our skills, employment, education. Tingnan natin kung ma-approve. Submit profile. And boom! Congratulations, you are now part of Upwork. So, nakita nyo, no, hindi na ako naghintay ng 1 day or 2 days bago ma-approve sa Upwork. So, dapat kumpletuhin nyo lang yung inyong profile para ma-approve. So, ganun lang siya. 'Di ba? 5 minutes lang or 3 minutes yata. Okay? So recap lang natin yung ginawa natin, no? So, yun, gumawa tayo ng Upwork and na-approve siya immediately, agad-agad. Dahil ginawa natin yung steps na dapat gawin talaga. So, make sure na meron kayong catchy na title and dapat yung niche nyo is nandoon mismo sa title nyo. Or job title, or title. And also, dapat yung description nyo is medyo mahaba or kung kaya nyo, so mas mahabaan pa, habaan nyo ng habaan. So, nandun yung sekreto. Okay? So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. So, yun lang. Good luck. Bye-bye.